Nobody talks about this, but the moment you hit $12,000 saved, your life doesn't just improve, it quietly upgrades in ways that most people around you won't even notice at first. And that's exactly why it's so powerful. Because this is the level where you stop playing defense with money and start playing offense. But here's the truth. If you've never had this amount saved before, your brain literally cannot understand how different life feels on the other side of it. Because up until now, money has probably felt temporary, inconsistent, something that comes in and disappears just as fast. But $12,000 is not temporary. It's not accidental. It's built. It's intentional. And it represents a version of you that most people never become. And if you stay with me until the end, you'll realize that the biggest change isn't even the money itself. It's the way it rewires how you think, move, and make decisions for the rest of your life. Because the first shift that happens is control, real control, not the illusion of control that comes from getting paid and immediately spending it, but actual control where your money is sitting still, waiting for your decision instead of demanding your attention. And that alone changes how you operate on a daily basis. Because when you wake up knowing you have a financial cushion that can handle months of expenses, your mind is quieter, your stress drops, and you stop reacting emotionally to every small financial situation. You don't panic when something goes wrong. You don't feel pressure to say yes to things that don't align with your goals. And most importantly, you stop making decisions out of fear. Because fear is what keeps people stuck in cycles they can't break. But once you remove that constant pressure, you create space to think clearly. And clarity leads to better decisions, and better decisions lead to better outcomes over time. But here's where things start to separate you from everyone else. Because $12,000 is not just an emergency fund, it's leverage. It's the point where you can start making moves that were completely out of reach before. And that doesn't mean reckless moves or gambling your money. It means calculated actions that can actually change your trajectory. Like investing in a skill that increases your income, starting something on the side without worrying about immediate profit, or even walking away from a situation that's holding you back because you're no longer financially trapped. And that freedom is something most people underestimate until they experience it. Because being able to say no without fear is one of the most powerful positions you can be in. And it all comes from having enough saved to support your decisions, not control them. And as this starts to settle in, something deeper begins to happen. Your identity evolves again, but this time it's different from when you saved your first few thousand. Because now you don't just see yourself as someone who can save money, you see yourself as someone who can build it and sustain it. And that's a completely different level of confidence. Because building money once could be luck or timing, but building it to 12,000 consistently requires discipline, patience, and a system that works. And once you have a system, you're no longer guessing, you're executing. And execution is what creates long-term results, not motivation, not inspiration, but consistent action over time. And this is where momentum becomes undeniable, because at this level, saving more money is no longer the challenge. Managing and growing it becomes the focus. And that shift changes how you approach everything. You start thinking in terms of percentages instead of just amounts. You start asking how your money can generate more money instead of just sitting there. And you become more intentional about where every dollar goes, not in a restrictive way, but in a strategic way. Because now your goal is not just to have money, it's to make your money work for you. And that's where the real game begins. But let's be honest for a second. Reaching $12,000 is not easy. It requires a level of consistency that most people struggle to maintain. It requires saying no repeatedly, staying focused when progress feels slow, and trusting a process that doesn't always give immediate rewards. And that's exactly why it changes you so much. Because the person who reaches this level is not the same person who started. You've built discipline, you've built patience, and most importantly, you've built trust in yourself. And self-trust is one of the most valuable assets you can have, because once you trust yourself to follow through, you stop second-guessing your decisions, you stop hesitating, and you start moving with intention. And that confidence carries over into every area of your life, not just money, but your career, your relationships, your goals, because you've proven to yourself that you can commit to something long-term and see it through. And that proof is powerful. But there's another layer to this that most people don't talk about, and it's how others start to perceive you. Because when you reach this level of stability, you naturally carry yourself differently. You're calmer, more composed, less reactive, and people notice that, even if they can't explain it, and that changes the way they interact with you. You're taken more seriously, you're given more opportunities, and you're trusted in ways you weren't before. Not because you told anyone how much you have saved, but because your behavior reflects it, and behavior is what people respond to. But the biggest shift of all happens in how you think about your future, because before this point, your focus was likely short-term, paying bills, getting through the month, maybe saving a little here and there. But now your perspective expands. You start thinking in years instead of weeks. You start planning instead of reacting. And you begin to see possibilities that didn't exist before, because you finally have the foundation to support bigger goals. And this is where your life can take a completely different direction. Because with $12,000 saved, you have options, real options. You can choose to invest, to start something, to take a risk, or simply to continue building and compounding what you already have. And that's the key word here, compounding. Because once you reach this level, your progress is no longer linear. It starts to accelerate, not overnight, but steadily. Because every smart decision builds on the last one. And over time, those decisions create results that seem impossible to people who are still at the starting line. But for you, they become the natural outcome of the system you've built. And that's why this milestone matters so much. Because it's not just about having $12,000. It's about becoming the type of person who can create and sustain that level of stability. And once you become that person, there's no limit to how far you can go. Because the skills, habits, and mindset required to reach this point are the same ones that will take you to the next level and beyond. And if you're still watching this, understand this clearly. The difference between someone who reaches this milestone and someone who doesn't is not talent, not luck, and not even income in many cases. It's consistency. It's the ability to stick to a plan long enough for it to work. And that's something anyone can develop if they're willing to commit to it. But the commitment has to be real, not temporary, not based on motivation, but based on a decision to change your life one action at a time. Because at the end of the day, that's what this is really about. It's not about the number 12,000. It's about what that number represents: discipline, control, freedom, and the ability to create options for yourself in a world where most people feel stuck. And once you reach that point, everything changes, not in a dramatic, overnight way, but in a steady, undeniable shift that affects how you think, how you act, and how you move through life. And when that happens, you'll look back and realize that saving your first $12,000 wasn't just a financial milestone. It was the moment you stepped into a completely different version of yourself, one that is capable, confident, and in control. And once you experience that, there's no going back, because you've seen what's possible, and now it's just a matter of how far you're willing to take it. So the real question is not whether saving $12,000 will change your life. It's whether you're ready to become the person who can make it happen and keep it growing long after you get there.